magic, guys. So, nalinis yung table namin. And now, we only have the RT-AX88U ni ASUS. So, before we proceed to unboxing, I just want to share with you guys that if you're planning to upgrading this one and you're planning to have, a faster speed sa inyo like Wi-Fi 6 speeds, well, of course, you need to have devices like the Galaxy S10 that supports Wi-Fi 6. So, there are only a few devices, again, as of this video, as of this recording na nagsusupport ng Wi-Fi 6. But again, if you want future-proof yung bahay nyo or yung office nyo, you need to have this one. The one with the Wi-Fi 6 router. So, Mark, I guess time to unbox the RT-AX88U.
Okay,
so,
let's do this.
Yeah, let's do this.
Alright, so we have here, of course, the actual unit itself.
Yeah.
There we go. So this is the RT-AX88U. Then, of course, we have this etiqueta.
Ano to? So, medyo nakikurious ako dito. Ano tong what the fast?
Alright guys, so once you purchase the RT-AX88U, you're gonna be presented with this piece of paper here, yung what the fast natin. So basically, ang what the fast kasi, it's a service that is currently being offered free on our ASUS routers. Basically, ang ginagawa nito is, once you register, once you activate it dun sa router UI mismo, it will shorten or it will lessen the latency if you were to play on a different country server. So for example, usually I go for Overwatch pag wala akong magawa, and I want to play on the America server with some of my Canadian friends. So instead of say getting 150 ms latency, I can lower it down to around 80 ms.
Uy, malaki na.
So basically, ano nangyayari kasi, instead of doing some skips sa mga continents, it's gonna just directly connect you to the nearest server papunta sa US.
So, para mas less na yung dadaanan.
Yes, mas less na yung dadaanan. So that's what the fast.
Okay. So, medyo essential siya. Actually, I think it's a must-have for gamers, especially if you love games katulad ng Overwatch, Apex Legends, and of course, PUBG Lite.
Pwede. So, and if you want to learn more about what the fast, you can just Google RT-AX88U. Then there's going to be a section in there that says what the fast, and you can see or view all of the games supported by what the fast sa routers. And you might ask, or some of our viewers might ask, gano'n po ba tagal yung what the fast? Forever siya.
Forever.
Forever sa what the fast. So as long as
the subscription base.
No. As long as the what the fast or your router is still working, it's gonna be there.
Okay, that's good to know.
And another thing din kasi is our AX routers features din yung AI protection natin. So just a summary lang, AI protection kasi gives you the internet security quote-unquote within the router. And that thing then is not subscription based, it is going to last you forever on the router as long as this is.
Normally, those kind of services is may subscription.
Yeah, usually 1 year lang or 1 to 3
year.
months. This one, however, it's going to be with you forever.
So it's a big advantage compared sa other routers.
Yes.
Well, yes, maganda yung ibang routers. Hindi naman sinasabing para sila. But ASUS has that advantage na meron siyang mga services na supposedly may subscription base or may bayad sa ibang routers. Kasi hiwalay pa siya. Hindi siya kasama sa router.
No.
So this one is included, especially what the fast. So WTF nga talaga. That is, again, for PUBG Lite, malaking bagay yun.
Yes, para mababa yung latency natin. If you were to connect, say, to another country server. And of course, meron tayo na to, antennas.
Yan. So, ilan yung antennas natin?
4 na antennas.
So, bakit 4 yung antennas natin dito sa
RT-AX88U. So basically, kaya 4 siya is, dalawa dito yung nagtatransmit ng signal and dalawa din yung nagre-receive. So kahit pa paano, if you have, and let's just say na marami kang devices at home, say 10 or more, or say yun nga, in the future, you get 20 more devices, hindi siya magbabottleneck kasi nadidistribute evenly yung signal and yung bandwidth accordingly dun sa mga devices.
So walang trap. Kumbaga parang ganito yung pinakamadaling explanation yan. Meron kang EDSA na instead na dalawa lang yung lane. So this one, we have more lanes. So mas maraming data na mag-transfer.
Exactly. Definitely. Tamang-tama yung analysis natin. Of course, na-set up na natin siya dito. We have some power plugs. Of course, we have the brick. And of course, different plugs for different countries. So we're just gonna probably utilize
Pang Pilipinas.
Wala tayong Pilipinas.
Meron tayo ano.
Meron tayo adapter. Oh yeah, so let's just use this one kasi pabilog-bilog siya. Cool. Ayun. So we have this one that we can adapt to here. Dito. Or hindi, ito. I think this one is better. Ito na lang.
Kulang to.
Hindi, ito. I think pwede ito. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So we have better chances.
Okay, so let's figure this out later. So yun nga, so we plug in the adapter here, and we have the ASUS power brick here, and of course we have the RT-AX88U. So Jam, anong next natin gagawin dito? Bukod sa pag-display sa ating viewers itong RT-AX88.
Pwede ba natin, kasi ako curious ako dun sa ano bang meron dito as in yung, ano ba itong mga nasa likod na to, yung nasa unahan.
Of course, the I/O ports.
So, turo mo naman sa amin, Mark.
Okay, I think better dito ko pakita.
Yan.
So here you can see that we have 8 LAN ports sa likod. 8 LAN ports.
Hindi naman tayo ng computer shop sa bahay.
Exactly. Alam mo, we've set up yung AC88U. It's the older brother of the AX88U dun sa area ni Doggy. And all of these ports, itong 8 ports na to, doon were utilized.
Okay.
Kasi ang dami
na ng PC. Okay.
Pero hindi nag-slow down. Yun yung natuwa ko. Hindi sila nag-slow down. Even streaming on the phone, even if they were streaming, as in yung streams na mga
Oo, kasi sa kanila yung heavy talaga na usage. Kasi, sa mga streamers house, mga gaming house, if you're not familiar with them, kasi minsan merong 4 na PC, for example, I think sila Gloco, meron sila, ilan sila nakatira doon, they have different PC doon. Siyempre, yung isa pang PC, yung ibang streamers, 2 PC, one for gaming, another one for streaming. So basically, you have 2 PCs for each individual. Ilan tao nakatira doon. Then you still have the mobile phones, which is, again, nakakonect din siya sa internet. So, medyo madami yung usage talaga sa mga ganong cases.
And of course, let's go back to the I/O ports. You have the one port here, and we have the power port here, the on-off button, the WPS button here, and of course, we have a reset button dito. Kung gusto mo na i-reset yung mismo router. And ito yung gusto ko din i-discuss.
Ano yan?
So, meron tayong port dito na USB 3.0 in the front. Ayan.
Para sa inyo yung USB 3.0 port na yan.
And dito din sa likod.
Meron sa likod?
Yes, meron. So, pwede ka mag-charge ng phone, of course. Pero, ang pinaka-main use kasi yan is, we have a software within the user interface. Kung pumunta kayo 192.168, yung default IP address ng router, you do have an application there that will enable the router to download torrent files for you. I'm not condoning anything. You can legitimately download Linux distros from torrent sites.
Linux distros.
Linux distros from torrent sites. And hindi mo kailangan ng computer basically. So, you can use
malaking tipid sa kuryente.
Yes.
Na pwede ka mag-download using this one lang na flash drive. Kukorek mo lang dito. Yung PC ko kasi is running 7600, then kahit idle siya, malaki pa rin yung kaya niya. Pero with this one, you only need your router, kabit mo lang, lumayas ka ng bahay niyo for 2 days. Mag-download ka for example lang 90 gig na file, which is Linux distros, 90 gig. Di ba mga ganun bagay? These are simple features na medyo hindi napapansin, pero it's a big deal for some people. For people like us, na laging nagda-download ng mga Linux distros. Ayan. So, it's a really cool feature na meron dito. Doon ako na-excite nung nalaman kong may ganun si router na to, si AX88U. Ayan.
Alright, so of course we have the power brick here. And yun nga, we have this one here. Yung mismo port natin. Alright, so I think better na makita ng viewers natin
yung kung paano siya mag-perform. So regarding that, I guess guys, kailangan nyo i-check out yung susunod na video. Guys, this is just the part 1 why you need a Wi-Fi 6 router sa bahay nyo or sa condo, even here in a very small condo. And kahit na abot ng default router ko, yung buong condo, I still think na kailangan ko ng ganito. And bakit nga ba? Well guys, susunod natin video, papakita ko sa inyo yung performance ng Wi-Fi 6 versus the default router na ginagamit ko dito sa condo ko. So guys, see you again sa susunod na video, the part 2 of why do you need a Wi-Fi 6 router sa place nyo, sa bahay nyo, sa work nyo, or kung nasan man kayo.